Hello friends, we are going to discuss the index operator in Python. The open and the close square bracket is the index operator. It used to access any character in a string instantly. In this video, we are going to discuss the positive and negative index with demo. What is an index operator? It allows you to access a single character from a string using its position number. In a string, every character is having a position number. The syntax, you have to give a string name within the open and close square bracket. You have to mention the index position. The index operator should follow the string name. The key role, the Python index count starts from 0, not 1. The first character is at index 0. See, here we are having a string hello. The first character in the string is H. It starts at the index position 0. The next character is at index position 1. Up to the last character is in the index position, the total length of the string minus 1. Here the hello is having a 5 characters. O is at index position 4 because the H is starts from index position 0. That's why the last character of the string is at the index position. Total length of the string minus 1. So we will see a demo. Here I am assigning hello to the a string variable word. If I give a word of 0, see word of 0. In the 0, we are having a character H. H will be displayed. By giving word of 4, the O will be displayed. Here the string word equal to hello. Now I am giving the string name word followed by open and close square bracket is the index operator. I am mentioning the index position 0. I am getting H. The first character is at the index position 0. Likewise, word of 4. I am getting O. The O is in the index position. The total length of the string minus 1 because the first character is starts at the index position 0. Here is an example. I am taking a string banana. So banana is my string. I am assigning it to the variable fruit. Now I am having a variable fruit equal to I am assigning a string banana. Now I want to print the first character fruit of 0 because always the first character starts with the index position 0. I am getting B. Likewise, I want to print the last character. What is the last character? Always located at the index position. Total length of the string minus 1. Banana is having a 6 character. Here total length minus 1 is 5. So fruit of 5 I am getting A. Here we have to understand the key point. Index always starts at 0. The first character of the string always in the index position 0. Length rule. For a string the length n, a valid indices go from 0 to n minus 1. The string banana is having totally 6 characters. So it starts from 0 and go up to length minus 1, the character 5. Banana has 6 characters, so valid indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. the last character A is at the index position 5. That is the demo we have seen here. Now we are having a negative indexing also in Python, which is counting from backwards. So we are taking the same banana example. The last character A is at -1. From the backward, the negative indexing, the next character N is at -2, A is at -3, N is at -4, again A is at -5, and the first character which is at the -6. So this is known as a negative indexing. We are able to print the character by using a negative indexing also. The same example I am giving. Fruit of -1. The -1 always points the last character in the string. So here the A is having -1. As given in the example, the first character is at the index position -6. I am printing fruit of -6. Now I am getting the first character B. So we are having positive and negative indexing in the Python. So use fruit -1 to grab the last character without knowing the string length. Even though you don't know the string length, always the string of -1 which returns the last character in the string. So the string is having both the positive and negative indices. So here the banana, we are having a positive index which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last character is at the string length -1. In negative indexing, the last character is having a -1. Subsequently, in the backward direction, the next character is -2 and -3 and so on. So here B is at -6. We are going to compare the positive and negative index. Positive index starts at 0 from the left. Starts at 0 from the left. The negative index starts at -1 from the right. So it goes up to length -1. So the last character in the positive index, which is having the index position, that is total length of the string -1. So totally banana is having 6 characters. The last character is located at the index position 5. Here the negative indexing goes down the minus length. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Here, the fruit of 0, in the positive index, the fruit of 0 which gives the first character B, and here the fruit of -1 which gives the last character A. Here in the positive index, fruit of 5 which is the last character A. Here in the negative index, fruit of -6 which prints the first character B. We are going to see the summary. What we learned today. We learned the index operator. To access any single character in a string, we have to give a string name followed by open and close square bracket. We have to mention the index name. So open and close square bracket is the index operator. And we have learned the positive index and negative index. In positive index, count from the left starting at 0. First character is at the index position 0. The last character is at the index position length -1. In the negative indexing, count from right starting at -1. -1 which gives the last character of the string. The first character is at the index minus length. See here, the first character is at total length is 6. Minus of length is -6. First character is at minus of length. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like this video, subscribe for more Python tutorial and hit the bell button. That's it. Thank you.